Folks, if I got something to show you, man, oh man, my wife is mad at me.
Let it out!
What's up, Jeffro? So, created a Copart account and put a bid on a truck and forgot all about it. And I won it. Oh, not good, but it's gonna be fun. You wanna play with it? Yeah. You wanna talk to everybody? So this is it. This is a '79 C30 dually flatbed. Looks like it hauled a few rocks, but yeah, I put the bid on Copart for this thing. Come under $1,000. And I guess I'll figure out if it runs and drives. So this is just going to be a quick peek of what's to come. Oh Lord, the door don't even open. But it's got a 350 manual transmission. And it needs a little bit of work, but we'll get it taken care of. More to come. You should have helped me open the hood. All right, folks, it's time to get this bad boy clean because it's looking mighty rough. See what it looks like underneath.
Wow, it's very nice.
I think I blew off some of that custom paint job. Now that I've got it all cleaned up, it's getting to the inside and figuring out if this baby will run. Musty. Trash. Let's see. Hanson. Bun Level, North Carolina. Cash. Randy Johnson. What did we buy? Dun, 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 dun. Some pounds, tons. Some 226160 ABC. Who knows? 22616 ABC. That's right. 2018 Randy Johnson. 34 by 55 window. Looks like somebody was doing some construction work. I wonder if this is a treasure map. Arr, we're gonna find the booty. Booty. I don't even want to know why they're here. Oh, we can go to Hardee's and get us some hand-breaded chicken tenders. Buy one, get one free. It only expired in 2018. I'm guessing that's the last time this thing ran. Booger wipers. Bum wiper. Let's see. Oh, 78, 930, 78, so it's 79 for sure. 4-speed. Deleted the spare wheel. Super equipped radio. Cigar lighter, because you never know when you need to light your cigar up. Paint white. This was a white truck, hence the white interior. Let's see. Oh, where's that later? That. Stay. Oh, we got our beep beep here. Looks like that's where we put our spare parts at. Let's see. Tweeter. Oh, a drill bit. Trash. Drill bit. Safe. Yeah. Trash. This a voodoo rock? Voodoo doll? One-eyed, one-horn, flying purple people eater? I don't know. We'll save him. Maybe he'll bring the mug. Trash. Never know when you need a spare battery connector. What do we got here? Some Band-Aids. Family Wellness. Dry rotted. No good. Spare tools. You know what? Spare tools. Oh, outdoor equipment. Cutting system division. Oregon. What do we got here? Air filter. Not for this truck. Goes to the headlight. Spare parts. Or boogery things. Built to last. Duralast. Fuel filter. Trash. Trash. You know, I believe that's the original one because that is not the original one. But it's broke. So that's not even spare parts, it's trash. Let's see, we have here our salt and or pepper shaker. Is it silver? Stand home. I don't know. We'll hold on to it. Let's see, nothing else in there. Cigarette lighter. Every kid needs to stick their fingers on that at least one time in their life. Never know when you need to butter your bread in your farm truck. Trash. Harnett County Solid Waste. Oh, what do we have back here? Grandma's peanut butter. Spare butter off here in case you need to spread your butter. Kennedy Space Center for Kids Chick-fil-A. Gotta eat the Lord's chicken. Let's see, that's probably some bum wiping material. Trash. Spare rag. Not even gonna open that one. Trash. Got a belt over there for a butt whooping device.